This life is only a trial. I'm telling you, this statement is the key. Crutch. And that door that was so strongly jammed, it opens. Plug. It's just a trial. It comes to an end. There are people who are apparently successful. There are people who are unsuccessful. There are rich, poor, healthy, unhealthy, and so on, because this is a trial. Everybody is being tested. And the result is going to be based on the performance of each individual, his performance that he he did independently and in accordance with his her capacity. Whatever you could do, the Almighty already knows, and He'll see whether you did enough, at least the minimum acceptable performance, and you'll get it. And if you will not, then you're doomed. So, no, I just want to tell you honestly, you will get it and you are doomed. People sometimes get put off that, what do you mean by doomed? You know what, when we say that, we are telling you what the Almighty has said. And the Almighty is the best judge. Alaysa Allahu bi ahkamil hakimin. Is not Allah the best of all judges? If you find a good judge and he takes good decisions, you praise him. Allah will do nothing that would be wrong. Nothing. So, he will decide about each and every individual in a very honest and fair way. And this test, I keep saying, is primarily of two areas of performance: your intellectual honesty and your moral uprightness. You know, every now and then we are confronted with situations where we have to take decisions, right decisions. We can use our intellect incorrectly. There are many bright, intelligent people, but they use their intellect in a way which is wrong, and they know it, but they try to outsmart others by using it. So it is an honest use of intellect on the one hand and moral uprightness on the other. The two together are what are going to be the basic, or its syllabus, on the basis of which the Almighty is going to is testing you and is going to grade you. You know, so this is something that is true for all humans, and God knows everyone. God knows everyone's performance. If He had not known everybody's performance and circumstances, His test would not have been fair. He knows each and every person, his or her circumstances, the way the person is performing, and He will judge. And He's the best judge.